Today we will see how to create your own custom ticket design. Go to the event. Under additional features, make sure the custom ticket is enabled. Under menu, go to custom design. Choose file. So this is the ticket type I want. I will add name, maybe a serial and QR code, number of guests. That will do. This is a drag and drop. Just add serial. Okay, serial, I'll add it here. Okay, the name, you can also change it. This is the font size. Let's do 32. That's 32. So sometimes what happens, the name is too large. So see, this is the only bounding box. So we need to enlarge it. Actually, it goes from left to right. Just enlarge it. And if you want to center it, you just center it. Not centered. Total guess, I think this should be fine. Serial number, I'll just increase it a little bit. Okay, that will do. For this, I will choose the right aligned. Okay, I want this name to be of this color. So I'll just select it and choose the color. Just pick this color. Save. So the name matches this color. We'll just save the design. That's done. And we'll just create a ticket. We'll go to ticket downloads. I want first, select a date, of tickets 3. Yes. So it's downloading here. Hit OK, all downloaded. Just go to this link, hit yes. There you go. So these are all the tickets that I just created. And you can also see these tickets from here under ticket status. We'll just go to the first. I'm sorry. This is the one. Okay. See now how this. See the sizing and all. You have to figure it out from the way we design. See now this ticket, how it was like the second line is right aligned. So it's not like exactly underneath. So what we'll do, we'll just go back. Go to our custom design. And then this one, see this is very small bounding box, so we'll just increase it. Okay, we'll just increase it furthermore, and we will center it. Looks like a bit center, and we'll make it center. Takes a bit of finesse here, so this will do. We'll just save the design again. Now go back to the tickets, ticket status, and then we'll click on here. And there you go, it's centered. It's the first name. Everything looks good. So this is how you can create your own custom ticket.